Hello, my name is Bones and welcome to the second game devlog episode. Today I'm going to present you the last changes I've made to the game in the past week. First of all, I've added an audio manager. You can find a tutorial on how I did that on Bracky's channel. And using this audio manager, I handle the music. Whenever I press start and the game runs, a random track will be selected and it will play until it ends, and then another track will be selected, and so on and so forth, so you can listen to music while playing. Aside from this, I've improved some of the sounds for the game, and I've added improved explosion effects to stuff like grenades and enemy missiles. I've also added an explosion effect for when enemies die, so the game looks a lot more dynamic now with these effects. I've also started working on the boss arena, and basically right now I've made it so I can select how high the level should go. So basically I can now control how long the level should be until the player reaches the boss. Then when you reach the boss, the camera will zoom out, and when that happens, you're going to be able to see the entirety of the destroyer. That's the name of the boss, the destroyer, and he'll begin shooting at you. The destroyer has three main battery turrets, which really pack a punch, so you don't want to get shot by those, and also six secondary laser-like turrets, and he'll only use three of them. I have also added a function to make the player invincible for easier testing.